today's short lesson, one-on-one out of the triple threat position. Triple threat position means three things in basketball. A position where with one move you can shoot, you can make a pass, or you can dribble the ball all within one move. For the most part, your body should be down, your feet balanced. Sometimes if you're a right-hand player, your left foot should be your pivot foot, your right foot should be slightly ahead, your body should be down, you should be able to move side to side, up, back, and make passes all out of one move. If you're a left-handed player, your right foot should be down, your left foot should be the attack foot, the ball should be tucked away on your hip, your head should be forward. Again, you have to be able to make all of these three offensive threats with one movement. If your body is straight up and down, in order for you to pass, other than the overhead pass, if you have to make a bounce pass, you have to bring the ball down first, and then you have to make a pass. That's two movements. If your body is straight up in the air, like you see a lot of players do, in order to shoot, the body has to come down first and go up second. That's two movements. Even in order to dribble, if you catch the ball and put the ball above your head, you have to bring the ball down one, start to bounce the ball two, that is also two movements. From a good triple threat position, myself being a right-handed player, I want to be able to shoot in one motion. I want to be able to bounce in one motion. I want to be able to make a pass in one motion. So the most important thing is the position of the triple threat. Left-handed players, right foot is the pivot foot, left foot is the attack foot. Right-hand players, left foot is the pivot foot, right foot is the attack foot. Some coaches teach two pivot feet. For me, it's just always easier for me to teach my players to master one. Once they have it under control, as they move up, as they get older, as they develop, they can learn how to switch feet on whichever side of the floor that they play on. One-on-one moves out of the triple threat is what you should work on every day.